So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhay Mishra, and I am a third year computer science student at Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Pune. We are currently doing this quest named Create and Manage Cloud Resources, and we have completed with the first, second, third, and the fourth one. We will be doing the fifth one right now, set up network and HTTP load balancer. We'll just get started with this lab. I would request you to do all of these labs in incognito mode. We'll just first of all start the lab. Okay, I'm not a robot. Taxi. Yeah, done. I'll just open Cloud Console. Okay, I'll just copy paste this email ID, use another. Okay, I'll just copy paste the password. Yeah, these are the normal steps that you need to do. I understand. India, agree, continue. I'll just activate my Cloud Shell. It takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Continue. Okay, it's provisioning me Cloud Shell machine. Yeah, yeah, we have our Cloud Shell machine running. So we'll just authenticate ourselves so that the cloud knows that we are only doing, no other person is accessing our resources. We'll just list our project and that will give us the, yeah, project ID. Cool. Now we'll go to the words our task one. So the task one is set the default zone to US West 1A. Okay, fine. We have just done it. Yeah, done. Updated properly. And default region to US West 1. Okay. Default region to US West 1. Okay, cool. And updated properly. Done. We are done with the first task. Now, what is saying? Create multiple web server instances. Okay. We'll just copy paste this. Okay. Create a virtual machine. Okay. We are creating a virtual machine here. Okay, fine. Okay. I'll just explain you this code also. Does this code means? Create a virtual machine www1, which is the zone is US to West 1A. Tags, these are the network tags. The machine type is E2. The machine type is E2 small, and the family is this. The project this, and then the metadata. Metadata is data about the data. Like you can search about the metadata, and these are the Apache servers and the restart and all. So yeah, that's it. We have successfully, and the status is running. Wow, great. We have made a server. We have virtual machine. Okay, now this is the second virtual machine that we are, well, a web server instance that we are making. Second, and there is gonna be a third also. Okay, okay. I guess the second one is okay. Yeah, second one is running. Now we'll now we'll make a third one, and yeah, done. We have made the third. Okay. Now create a firewall rule to allow external traffic to. So with this is the firewall rule. If you are in like in your third year, mostly you'll get a subject called computer networks, where they will be teaching, the college will be teaching you about these rules, TCP, IP, what is TCP, AT. So I'll just give you a uh, like a vague thing. Like TCP is transmission control protocol, and in your computer there are more than 65,000 ports where all the operation runs. So these these type of, like, the web one runs on the port number 80. Like the TCP has been allotted to port number 80 in your computer. That is what you can note right now. Yeah. So okay, fine. Now we'll just list our instances. So yeah. Okay, so this is showing me three instances. You can see web 1, web 2, and web 3. Cool, very good. And okay, you can verify that each instance is replacing by IP address. I don't want to do that. What you can do is just copy paste this, and you can do that. And here you can just, here you have the IP address. You can just copy paste it, and you can see. I'll chalo theek hai yaar, I'll, yeah, you can see that. Okay, so yeah, now configure the load balancer. Okay, so what is load balancer? Load balancer is something like, you can Google search it, but basically whenever there is a high traffic at your website, load balancer, what it does is, sometimes it, like if there is a high traffic, it will give more resources to the website, and if there is low traffic, it will reduce the resources automatically. That is what load balancer does. Add a legacy HTTP health check. It's all these type of services are offered by Google Cloud. Like you can check the health and everything. Okay. So basic host, port number, and path requested. Okay, cool. Add. Okay, add copied. Add this. Fine. Now we are gonna do instance pooling. That means we are gonna make. Okay, fine. Updated. ठीक है. Done. Add the following rules. We are adding these following rules. Fine. Added. What? Okay. Yeah. We can just check our progress, and we have done this. It will update slowly. It will update. Yeah, we have 50 points right now. Now we need to do the task 4, that is forwarding rules. That, like, you can learn all about this here in the lab itself, and you can even Google searches what for, like, forwarding rules are, and how do we describe it. We'll just see the external IP. Okay, external IP is this. Okay, fine. So here we need to, like, we copy this. I'll just paste this here, in here, and in place of IP address, I need to paste this external. So I'll just copied it, and now it's I'll just paste it here. Okay, so yeah, and I'll just copy this whole, and I'll just paste it here, and you can see these are running. And now if we want to stop this, we use Control C to stop the command line. Okay, so I just Control C, and it stopped. Yeah. So the task 5 is to create a HTTP load balancer. To first create, okay, this is a template. This is the basic template that you also get online. It's available online also. Just copy paste it and then press enter. Yeah, it's done. Now you go here and you copy paste this, and you paste it here. Yeah, yeah, done. And now this is the firewall health check, something from Google Cloud. You can just do that. Yeah, done. That is also done. Now we'll just check like the IPv4 addressing and everything. What's that? Everything is done, complete. Note that IPv4 that was reserved. Now we'll get the IP address, the v4. Yeah, this is the IP address 34.96. Note that it's saying note that the IP that was reserved. Okay, I'll just copy this. Copy. Uh, uh, what did I do? Okay, copy, and I'll just paste it here. Okay, this is usually with that I do. That is how I do. And then okay, I'll just check the basic health check again. Yeah, HTTP health check protocol HTTP correct. Create a backend service. Okay, creating a backend service. Yeah, we have created the backend service protocol. Okay, add an instance. I'll just add the instance. Okay, cool. I want you to know you can do all these things from the interface also, but this lab is focusing on how to do it by Cloud Shell, so that you know because like you'll see interface is good. You will understand everything what you are doing, but it takes time to do on the interface. In terminal, you have the template ready with you, and you can just directly change whatever you want, and then you can copy paste it, and then the resource is made for you. So that is why like they want us to focus on this cloud shell so that we learn about how to use cloud shell and everything. Baki, you can do these things from the interface also. I'll also show you the interface in this video. Yeah, so the we'll just run these commands. Okay, okay, done, 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 done. Almost we are done with this lab. So yeah, it's created and yeah, done. I'll just check my progress. HTTP load balancer. Yeah, I'm done. And the task six, there is like you can if you want to do you can do, if you don't want to do you don't want to do. So yeah, I have got my 100 points. Yeah, very good. You have successfully completed this lab. So I hope you have learned something from this lab, and if you have any doubts you can definitely comment me down below. And yeah, if you want to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.